Okay, so hopefully you started by defining your variables. And so based on what they were asking us to find, right? So what are the two quantities they're being asked for? We want to know the number of discs with 2 episodes. So I'm going to let that be X, is the number of discs with 2 episodes. And so Y will be the number of discs with 3 episodes. So we know there's a total of 33 discs. So we know that if we take X plus Y plus the number of discs that have 4 episodes each, so that was 6, plus the soundtrack discs, that was 5 of them. Altogether, that should be 33 discs. Okay, so that's one of our equations. And then we also know there's 86 episodes. So obviously, for every disc that has 2 episodes on it, we have 2 times those number of discs. And then we have 3 episodes on each Y, so 3 times Y. Plus, of course, each of these 6 discs has 4 episodes on it, so 6 times 4. That should give us the total 86 episodes. So these two equations, when we just clean them up a little bit, this of course here adds up to 11, so I'm going to subtract 11 from both sides of the equation. So we have X plus Y equals 22, and then this right here is 24, so I'm going to subtract 24 from both sides of the equation here. So I have, this one's going to be 2x plus 3y equals 62. So we can solve this by elimination or substitution. To me, I feel like substitution is a good fit here because I can easily solve for x or y. So I can solve for y, for example, in this first equation by subtracting x to the over to the other side. So just to make this stand out a little bit more, I just lost my cursor. Where did it go? Here we go. So I'm going to take this y expression and replace it in for y. So I have 2x plus 3 times 22 minus x equals 62. And I'm going to distribute my 3. So 2x plus 66 minus 3x equals 62. Combining like terms on the left, I get negative x plus 66 equals 62. And if I subtract 66 from both sides, I get negative x equals negative 4. So dividing both sides by negative 1, we see that x is equal to positive 4. And if x is equal to positive 4, then y must equal 22 minus 4, or 18. So that's our solution. And I was hoping, because actually my brother-in-law has this DVD set, and I was hoping to show you guys the actual DVDs and show you that this really is a thing. But I found on YouTube someone, oh, let's mute it. Some guy going through all this. I'll include a link in case any of you want to see. But and unfortunately, you can't count how many episodes are on each track to try to double check that our answer is correct. But the answer in the back of the book does confirm that, of course, this was correct. So anyway, for any of you Sopranos fans out there, I hope you enjoyed this example.